Hey everyone, Huawei has officially introduced the MatePad Pro 12.2 2024 to a global audience, building on its earlier release in China. This tablet positions itself as one of the most capable devices for both productivity and entertainment, offering a combination of sleek appearance, vibrant display, and powerful hardware. It is geared toward professionals, creatives, and anyone looking for a versatile device that can handle a broad range of tasks. The appearance of the MatePad Pro 12.2 is one of its key highlights. At just 5.5mm thin and weighing 508 grams, this ultra-lightweight tablet is incredibly portable, perfect for business trips or casual use. Despite its slim profile, the tablet maintains a sturdy premium feel, showcasing Huawei's commitment to top-notch build quality. Its minimalist high-end appearance adds a stylish touch, making it not only functional but also aesthetically appealing. One of the defining features of the MatePad Pro 12.2 is its PaperMatte dual-OLED display. At 12.2 inches, with a 92% screen-to-body ratio and a resolution of 2800 by 1840, the display delivers a sharp, immersive viewing experience. The colors are vivid and accurate, with a delta-V accuracy of less than 1, making the tablet ideal for creative professionals engaged in photo editing, graphic appearance, or content creation. Additionally, the screen boasts a peak brightness of 2000 nits, making it easy to view in outdoor settings. The 144Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling, animations, and an enhanced gaming experience, all contributing to its versatility for different tasks. Performance-wise, the MatePad Pro 12.2 shines with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage. This high-performance combination enables smooth multitasking, handling heavy-duty apps, and even gaming. The ample storage space is ideal for professionals who need room for large files, applications, and media, although the lack of expandable storage may limit future upgrades for some users. The camera setup on the MatePad Pro 12.2 is functional and versatile. It includes a 13-megapixel primary camera paired with dual 8-megapixel wide-angle lenses, making it well-suited for both photography and video. The front-facing 8-megapixel camera is ideal for video calls and casual selfies, delivering decent quality in most conditions, though its performance in low-light settings may not be as strong as some high-end smartphones. Battery life is another area where the MatePad Pro 12.2 excels. It features a dual-cell 5050 mAh battery, equivalent to 10,100 mAh, offering impressive longevity even during intensive use. The 100-watt supercharge technology is a standout, fully charging the tablet in just 55 minutes. This rapid charging capability is especially valuable for users who need to stay connected while on the go, although fast charging sessions may generate some heat. When it comes to audio, the MatePad Pro 12.2 is equipped with an 8-speaker system that delivers rich, clear sound, making it a great option for listening to music, watching movies, or participating in conference calls. The balanced sound quality across different media enhances its appeal for both entertainment and professional uses, although the absence of a headphone jack may be inconvenient for those who prefer wired audio. Running on Huawei's Harmony OS, the MatePad Pro 12.2 offers a smooth and intuitive user experience, particularly for multitasking and productivity. The operating system is well optimized for the tablet's hardware, and features like split-screen functionality and multi-window support make it a strong contender for professional workflows. However, the lack of native Google Play services may be a drawback for users heavily reliant on Google's ecosystem. In conclusion, the Huawei MatePad Pro 12.2 2024 is a well-rounded and versatile tablet that excels in areas like appearance, display quality, performance, and battery life. Its ultra-thin and lightweight build makes it an ideal travel companion, while the PaperMatte OLED display is perfect for creative professionals and media consumption. Despite the absence of expandable storage and Google Play support, the MatePad Pro 12.2 is a strong contender in the premium tablet market, appealing especially to users who prioritize display excellence, powerful performance, and portability. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new tablet? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.